Our agent analyzes your job description, your website, and any documents you may have to understand your business and the roles you are hiring for. For example, at Bolna, we specifically wanted a developer with at least 2 years of experience in back-end software development. Next, our agent analyzes each and every CV, identifying strengths and weaknesses that are specific to the required role, and curating a personalized interview that will help plug any points in the job description requirements that are unclear from the CV. For example, Elon here has experience in Python, but has not written anything about FastAPI or Asyncio Python. On our platform, you can customize your agent and train them by giving information about your company and, of course, the job description. Your agent now understands your key requirements and is ready to ingest CV. With a vast experience of conducting interviews, key details taken from your job description, and analyzing each candidate's CV, your agent is now ready to conduct personalized interviews with all of your candidates. Once your agent is deployed, the AI relationship manager jumps into business, emailing or messaging each candidate, and giving them the option to schedule their interview whenever most convenient for them. Using the hyper-personalized prompt, our voice AI interviewers carry out extremely natural-sounding interviews.
Hi, Elon. I am Wendy calling from Bolna.
Hi, Wendy.
We've been excited to connect with you. I noticed that you and our CTO share an academic connection at Yale. She graduated 5 years before you from the same program. That's such a great link to have.
Yeah, I actually follow her on LinkedIn. I saw the job posting there.
That's great to hear, Elon. It's always nice to see connections like that. Let's dive right in, shall we?
Sure.
Tell me more about your e-counseling chatbot project. Did you use Asyncio Python for concurrency?
I'd used Asyncio Python. It enabled efficient management of concurrent sessions, as well as it allowed for async calls to external APIs.
Could you share more about how Asyncio improved concurrency in your chatbot project? Additionally, what challenges did you encounter during implementation, and how did you address them?
I leveraged async libraries like async PG to handle any sort of database queries, while I enabled non-blocking HTTP calls using AIO HTTP. Majorly, the challenges included managing high concurrency, debugging non-linear async flows, and avoiding any sort of resource leaks. To resolve these challenges, I used rate limiting with asyncio.semaphore, I applied structured logging, and I used context managers.
That sounds great. Thanks for explaining what you have done in your project extensively. Now let's move on to the next question. Moving on to your experience at 2 AM Munchies, what were the key lessons you learned there, and how do you think they could benefit you as a founding engineer at Bolna?
I would say my ability to take ideas and turn them into products. Beyond my technical expertise, I think one of the most important traits for a founding member is to understand how to execute ideas to make them into a product for today. I think I learned the same while building a food delivery app from the ground up.
Thank you, Elon, for your thoughtful answers. We'll be in touch soon to share the details regarding the next steps in the process.
And after each interview, you get detailed analytics, not only on technical proficiency and experience, but also on soft skills such as confidence and language fluency. You can even expand on any of these skills to dive into the candidates' answers and discussions that took place in the interview. So if recruiting is a daunting task for your company, you know who to reach out to.